Hello everyone, in this video we will see how we can construct phylogenetic tree using Mega software. So you can use Mega 11 or you can use the latest version of Mega, which is Mega 12. So for constructing a phylogenetic tree, first we need a multi-FASTA file. So let's just go to UniProt for our FASTA file, or you can also uh, collect the FASTA file from NCBI. So just go to UniProt and let's search for a protein. Let's say just insulin. Let's search it, and let's say I just take those sequences. Okay, that's enough. So just select those sequences, or select those sequences which you actually want to construct the phylogenetic tree, and click on download. Then compressed no format, obviously select the FASTA canonical, and select this download selected 9, as I selected 9 sequences. Then click on download. So now my downloaded file has downloaded. So let's see that. So here we can see that there is a multi-FASTA file. This is a FASTA sequence, this is another FASTA sequence, and this is another FASTA sequence. So for constructing a phylogenetic tree, first of all you need this type of multi-FASTA file. Okay, then just go to Mega and then click on Align, and you can see the Align option. Click on Align and then click on the Edit or Build Alignment. Click on it, then select Create New Alignment and click OK. Then a new tab will appear, and as I have downloaded the protein sequence, I have to click on the protein. If you guys download the DNA sequence or nucleotide, you should click on that. Okay, then for now just click on protein. Okay, now okay, we can do that. Just open this, Control A, Control C, select here, Control V. Okay, so now our sequence has appeared. So for this you can just copy all of the FASTA sequence and then just paste it. Okay, then by selecting one, then select Control A. So all of the sequence is basically selected, or we can delete this sequence. Just delete and select this and just Control A. So all of the sequence is basically selected. Then click on alignment, and then you can click on the align with cluster W or align with muscle. There is not that much difference with this. So just click on align with cluster W, then just click on OK. Okay, so our alignment is done. Then click on data, then click on export alignment, then select the Mega format, click on it. So just save this file in Mega format. You can see that. Just save it. Just name this. Okay. Okay, now you can close the Mega, or you can close this, and this tab is already appearing, or you can also close this, that doesn't matter. So after this, click on the phylogenetic. There is the option phylogenetic, click on it, and then construct, and then you can select those options, but maximum likelihood method is the best. So click on it. So again I'm showing you that click on the phylogenetic, click on the maximum likelihood tree method. Select this and then select the file, which is the mega file alignment file, which we have saved from the mega software. So just open it, just click OK, wait for a few seconds, and yeah, power a phylogenetic tree is appeared. So from the view option, we can change the style of our phylogenetic tree. So you can see this is a circle, and from view you can also select the fronts also, and there is just so let's say curved. You can also select curved, or from here you can also select straight. So these are the options which you can select, and from here you can also see the branch length, and yeah, this is the way you can construct a phylogenetic tree from uh, mega software. And if you want to save this phylogenetic tree as a image, or you want to use this phylogenetic tree in your research paper, then just click on the image option, then you can save it as a png or svg or pdf file. Yep, that's all for today. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this, you can subscribe, share my video. Thank you for watching.